Xfinity TV box error 0112, also known as device activation failed, means your box cannot establish a secure connection with Comcast servers to authorize content playback. This error is often caused by network instability, outdated firmware, corrupted cache, power surges, software bugs, or service interruptions. The first steps to resolve this are to perform a refresh or a reboot. A refresh clears temporary data using on-screen prompts or the Xfinity app, while a reboot involves unplugging the box for 30 to 60 seconds to fully reset the hardware. Ensure HDMI and cable connections are secure. Check that your Wi-Fi strength is above 50 Mbps. Also, verify your account status on the Xfinity website to rule out any billing issues. For more specific diagnostic information, access error logs via the Xfinity app or by pressing the A button on your remote. If a simple refresh and reboot don't resolve the error, try a modem reset. Unplug both your Xfinity box and modem for 2 minutes. This addresses issues where upstream devices like routers are involved in the activation failure. Users in apartment complexes with shared Wi-Fi may need to coordinate modem reboots with neighbors to resolve shared network issues. Consider using signal boosters to improve connectivity and prevent activation failures. For issues that persist after these steps, contact Xfinity support for assistance. They can perform deeper diagnostics on hardware, account status, or service connections to resolve device activation failures. Looking ahead, Xfinity is shifting toward app-based streaming solutions. This reduces dependency on physical cable boxes and minimizes activation issues through cloud-based services. Traditional cable boxes are expected to become obsolete by 2030. Comcast is investing in AI-driven diagnostics that provide predictive error alerts and self-healing boxes through over-the-air updates. Hybrid models like Xfinity Flex boxes with built-in AI troubleshooting are becoming more common, automatically resolving many errors. Trends also highlight energy-efficient boxes that require fewer reboots and have a smaller environmental impact.